Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Kian Academy. So today in this video, I'm going to discuss about the one of the biggest hiring announcement that is from the TCS. So guys, finally TCS Kodota registration has been started and this is season 13. So इसके बारे में हम पूरा बात करने वाले हैं guys. इसमें मैंने प्रोसेस भी पूरा नोट करके रख लिया है क्योंकि मैंने इसमें अप्लाई करके देखा है. आपको कोई डाउट नहीं रहना चाहिए. इसके लिए मैंने पूरा A to Z कंप्लीट प्रोसेस गाइस नोट करके रख लिया और आपको वन बाय वन करके मैं प्रोसेस भी बता दूंगा. First, we are going to discuss about the eligibility criteria. Okay, so clearly you can see registration has been started. You can see registration open and who can apply this time. So guys, what in for the students? So guys, there will be different prizes, chance to compete with some of the best coders in the world, perform to showcase your programming skills. Finalists will get a chance to travel India for a season 13 grand finale. So there are some perks and benefits that you are going to get in this hiring challenge, and this is TCS Codevita. What is the criteria? Students currently pursuing graduation or post graduation who are studying in any of the stream of the science or engineering. अगर आप किसी भी स्ट्रीम में यहाँ पे डिग्री कर रहे हैं, चाहे साइंस या इंजीनियरिंग ब्रांच के स्टूडेंट, इंजीनियरिंग डिग्री और डिफरेंट ब्रांच के स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो भी इसमें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. एंड इफ यू आर फ्रॉम दी 26, 27, 28 and 29 batch, then you can definitely apply from any recognized institute across the globe. So this is the biggest hiring announcement for 26, 27, 28 and 29 batch students. So this is the main criteria for this hiring, and there will be different process phases. First you have to register, then mock bitas will be there will be demo assessment, then rounds, the actual round will start, then finale will be there. Okay, so guys, you will get different opportunity and you can see these samples also. What are the difficulty level of the questions will be there and how many types of question will be there, you can clearly see. Now we are moving forward with the hiring process. like जैसे आप इसमें रजिस्ट्रेशन करेंगे तो आपको एक्चुअली रजिस्ट्रेशन कैसे करना है. ओके, सो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं इस रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस के बारे में. जैसे यहाँ पे रजिस्ट्रेशन ओपन होगा तो आप इस तरीके से सबसे पहला विंडो देखेंगे डेट यू कैन सी साइन इन एंड रजिस्टर. सो बेसिकली इफ यू आर द ओल्ड यूजर देन यू हैव टू जस्ट लॉग इन. सो बेसिकली आई वुड सजेस्ट you just have to click on the register because you are the new user, right? If you are the new student 26 batch na, then you are the new student, you have to click on the register. Okay, after registration what page will show? It will show like this register. You have to choose the country. If you choose the country or region, so if you choose the India na, then it will show like that. Okay, so like I have showed the India, then it will show the please fill the form. So you just have to fill this application form, that is first name, last name, email ID. After that, like username, any username you can provide, like your name simply underscore surname, like simple username you can provide there. Then what you have to provide? You have to provide all the details. After that, what it will show? After the successfully confirmation, after the successfully registration, it will show email like. So basically you can see TCS code with a season 13 registration confirmation mail. So basically this type of mail they will send to you for the confirmation. Dear participant, thank you for registering with the TCS code with the season 13. We wish you all the best for the season. Hope you super coded inside your leads and towards the victory. एंड गाइस इसके बाद आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? आपको वेरिफिकेशन करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो बेसिकली अबव लिंक विल रिमेन एक्टिव फॉर द 10 आवर्स ओनली. सो बेसिकली आपकी 10 आवर्स तक एक्टिव रहने वाली है लिंक. देन यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दिस वेरिफिकेशन लिंक. इफ यू क्लिक ऑन दिस वेरिफिकेशन लिंक, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? It will show like this authentication you have to do. Mobile authenticator setup you have to do. You need to set up a mobile authenticator activity account. So guys, I would say what you have to do, you have to just download a authenticator. You have to download a authenticator app in your mobile, and then you can just this scan the QR code now. Then there will be one code generate, then one code will generate, then like 6 digit or 4 digit, 6 digit, I think 6 digit code will generate. Then after that one, after registration you have to put the 6 digit code over here. Okay, one time code will generate on the authenticator app. That code you have to provide over here, one time code, right? So guys, basically you have to download the app, then do not delete till the session is over. So basically do not delete the app also. So you just can scan. After the scan directly it will like add to your authenticator app, and after that it will like generate a code. So you have to submit the code. After submission of the code, it will show like that. Okay, so basically TCS code beta window will open the main page of the TCS code beta. So main page you can clearly see. This is the page, guys. You can clearly see as the TCS India recruitment conditions. So all the participants TCS round one international. So basically the process will start from here only. You have to provide the contact number. After contact number, the send OTP you have to click. Then one OTP will generate. That OTP you have to enter. Then this information will, okay, this is the exact information, guys, main information that you have to provide. Okay, so contact number, academic year of graduation, institute name, CTTT reference, and nearest TCS location, because the exams is going to held on the TCS center. Okay, and here you can see create CTDT reference ID, guys. This is the very important reference ID that if you are aware about the TCS NQT also, whenever you are applying the TCS now, then the CT and CTDT ID is very important, because the based on the hiring total hiring process based on this CTDT ID. Okay, so basically from where you can get the CTT ID from the next step portal itself. So if you click on the next step portal now, because you need to generate your CTT ID, after that you have to provide your reference ID over here, right? You have to provide the reference ID over here. And if you click on the next step, currently the next step of CTDT registration has not started. It will take time. It will be available at the Thursday 24th of July. It means tomorrow or today it will be available. So basically, sorry, campus recruiter put temporary under maintenance. So it is under maintenance, guys, and it will live soon. So you can generate your CTDT ID soon. So this is the exact process for the TCS code Veda. I think if you watch this video, then it will be very smooth process for you guys. You don't need to worry about anything. If you have any doubt, you can comment down, and I will solve the issue also. So this is the one of the biggest hiring opportunity for the freshers. You can definitely see this hiring opportunity and apply in this one. This is the very important hiring drive. Now I am going to discuss about two hiring switches from the Accenture. This is from the Analytics Modeling Associate. Next from the KPMG as a consultant Python developer. They are hiring, and Moody's hiring for the software engineer. All links you can get from the description box. I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching.